Welcome to our kids' cabin suite at the Great Wolf Lodge. There's a lot to enjoy here, but there are some things you should really know about before you book. We'll show you around the place, give you our honest opinions, count the outlets in the room, and explore the extra amenities most people completely miss. Hit the like if you want to see more of that cabin, and what an amazing view. Let's get started. Alright, so right off the bat, we've got little, I don't want to call it a closet because there's no door, but a place with all your hangers and stuff. So you get 1, 2, wow, that's loud, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10 hangers. With that, some storage up above that just has like the extra blanket and pillow and things. And here's a shelf for your bags, and then a lower shelf for your bag. You're going to find all kinds of places to put your bag. Just real simple bathroom setup. On the curtain, it's got the Great Wolf paw, of course, because we always love that. Just a really simple bath shower setup. So nothing incredibly fancy going on with the shower head or anything here. The sink is outside the bathroom, and I love this because we can get ready for the day. Of course, it comes with the lotion, shampoo, and Great Wolf Lodge paw soap in there. I don't know if that's coming through or not. It's a paw. It's really cool. What I don't enjoy is just how tall this thing is. So my 7-year-old can use this sink totally fine, but my 4-year-old cannot reach it, and we have to pick him up. This is a resort for families with kids. It's very unusual that a resort like that would have the sink so high that your younger kids couldn't even reach it. And then a little sneak peek from the mirror here. We got, oh yeah, here's the paw again. We got a super cool suite that has a log cabin inside of it. Like, how cool is that? We've got a couple of windows in here, a little twin back over there. Awesome artwork of the campfire, and I guess the smoke detector is the moon. But yeah, a whole cabin set up with all of the Great Wolf kids hanging out. It's got a TV inside of it, artwork all the way around, which is really cool. So they're totally enclosed by this awesome artwork. So yeah, awesome. And here in the other room is the parents. Look at that. It's like we're actually in a tent with this awesome backdrop going. So cool. Look at how cool this is. There's little pugs on each of the lights by the bed. That's really neat. And also just outside of the cabin, you've got your extra space for your food. It's not a kitchen area because there's no sink or anything, but it does come with tea and coffee and cups and things. Your coffee maker is just a really basic setup. Again, more storage shelves and things that are empty. Does come with a good sized mini fridge, 3 pull-out drawers that are enormous. In the main room, you have this amazing queen bed with the full sofa that also pulls out into its own bed. There's a little chest, air conditioning unit, of course, big old window, awesome light. I want to show you this light. And it has the storybooks from the Great Wolf stories. And then the view of the outdoor pool, and of course indoors there, is the water park. Now, as much as we love this room, and we do, there are a couple of gripes that we've got. For starters, that table right there has got a small tiny table and 2 chairs. This is a room that sleeps up to 6 people. That just ain't gonna work. Another really minor issue that it may just be us, because we've been here before and we've never experienced this before. The cleanliness of the room left a little bit to be desired. Everything seemed clean, but I found a little button battery on the floor. Everybody misses something at some point, right? But I shouldn't have something from other guests inside of my room that's already been prepared. The TV remote's right here. I really like it when housekeeping comes, actually sanitizes it, and then puts it in just a little wrapper. It says, hey, this has been sanitized. I have no idea what's been done with this, if anything. And just looking around at some of the different things, there's just a bunch of dust. Like the phone has dust on it, and the clock has dust on it. Maybe that's an unreasonable expectation. Let me know in the comments if that is unreasonable for me to be griping at, but I would assume that dusting is part of the housekeeping when you're getting a room ready. But in the grand scheme of things, those are really minor issues except for the table. Let's check out more of what this room has to offer.
You've got this giant TV in front of the queen bed, which is pretty normal. There's also this comfy stool, but take a closer look. There's another hidden paw print on the sides. I love the attention to detail. They've also included a good-sized mini fridge with adjustable shelves, but, well, moving them around might be harder than you think.
Have it in there, and then it means as I go, I missed as I go, missed on that side. Try. There. But why? And just in case I forgot to show you, it does have a freezer.
The sofa bed itself is easy enough to set up. Just clear everything out of the way, pull the frame out by the handle, unfold it, and then make sure to stop and cringe at just how gross the whole thing actually is. When you're done, the cushions can rest at the head of the bed for some extra support.
The room does come with an extra sheet and pillow and blanket. Super great. What is not super great? Goodness, I mentioned that I wasn't super thrilled about how clean the room was. Oh my gosh, look at this. What is that? I'm not entirely sure I want my kids sleeping on this bed. And just to finish out with the outlet count, I've got 2 right over here. Coming out into the kitchenette area, 2 over here. Inside the kids' cabin, there are a pair of hidden ones. A quick U-turn, 2 here by the bed on this side. Over here by the table, we've got 4, not just 2, 4. Loving that. Other side of the room, 2 more. Here on the front of the panel, we've got 2 outlets and 2 USBs. And then on top with the alarm clock, we've got 2 more. 2 USBs. So all of the USBs are right by the adult bed.
A few moments later.
Broken! It's broken! That doesn't count. I'm taking off a USB. Broken!
Let's head into the hallway and take a quick look at the ice and vending machines. Now, one thing you might have noticed that the rooms don't actually have a microwave. Don't worry, precious viewer. Along with the overpriced sodas, ice, and snacks, you'll find a community microwave. I don't think anyone else knows it's here. So reheat those leftovers we told you to get in this overview video and enjoy the money you've saved. You're welcome. You'll also find a fitness room. When you get in with your room key, you'll find weights, workout balls, treadmills, and ellipticals. It includes water and towels, and there's a weight training machine too. You can pause to see all of the rules, but your kids under 18 need to be supervised and shoes are required. And finally, more attention to detail. The hallways have these really fun tracks on the carpets. I see deer, wolf, and bear tracks, but what's this? Why did the tracks suddenly change direction? It's because we've reached the elevators. The tracks will always lead you to the elevator room.
So there you go, guys, our look at the Great Wolf Lodge Kid Cabin Suite. Hope this has been helpful in your planning. If you want to see even more videos about Great Wolf Lodge, some of the things they offer, check out this video right here. And for more things that YouTube thinks you like, right over here, hit the subscribe button for more. Guys, we love you so much. Hope this is helpful to you. Have a great day, and we'll see you next time we ride the Teacups. Later, y'all.